Welcome to the Danduct showroom. Here you will have the opportunity to become expert in ventilation cleaning. What you will learn here is why duct cleaning is very important, why people getting sick inside the building. You will learn about our calculation program. We have a calculation program so you can measure time. When you have the time, you have the price. That we have for you. So we make it very simple and easy for you. We have the European standard, so you will learn when it's needed to be clean, how much dirt there are allowed to be inside. You will learn a lot about practical work with the first meeting, with the pre-inspection, the actual cleaning, the cleaning report. We have also service contract for you and so on we can help you with. And most important of all, we have a lot of equipment we shall test. Come with me, then you can see. What we have here, we have our DC4, DC5 duct cleaner, perfect for medium-sized duct cleaning. We have our PD5 duct cleaner, perfect for power drill only, regular power drill. We have our test kit, so you can measure if it's too much dirt, it needs to be clean. A lot of brushes. Our most advanced robot we have here, the multi-purpose robot, can go up to 1.2 meters, extremely high. We have different kinds of our inspection robot we have here, we have our micro inspector here, and also of course very important we also have our kitchen cleaning program where we are using dry ice, the dry ice robot for the cleaning, where it's rotating inside and removing all the dirt. So if you're ready to come here for ventilation cleaning, then book a meeting today.